So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in camera privacy settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have camera access turned on. Make sure that you have let apps access your camera also turned on. And make sure that you have let desktop apps access your camera also turned on. And if you see zoom in this list, then you want to turn it on for zoom. See if that works. For the next method, if you're using an external camera, you want to unplug it and then plug it back in again. Also, make sure that it's plugged in properly. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand cameras. Make sure that your camera is enabled. You want to right click on it. If it says enable device, you want to click on enable, which will then enable your camera. If you can't see your camera in this list, then make sure that it's plugged in and then click on your computer name, which will then highlight it. Click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. It should now be showing your camera. See if that works. If you're using Zoom on the web browser, you want to go to your web browser and then click on the three dots and then click on settings. On the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security and then click on site settings and then click on camera. You want to select your camera. Make sure you have sites can also use your camera enabled. And where it says not allowed to use your camera, if it says zoom right here, then you want to take this off and you want to put it in the allowed section.